Hi, my name is Reverend Yareni Alvarado of Kiss Me Forever Weddings, and I am a bilingual wedding officiant. What makes me different from another wedding officiant is the fact that I am a bilingual wedding officiant that is constantly working on her craft. I like to connect with the couple to see where the things that they want for their vision for me to make it a reality. If I could connect with them, it's going to be a marvelous wedding on their day. I was raised by public speakers. So by being raised by public speakers, both my parents raised me to be outgoing and personable and have a background in public speaking. I decided to go my own route and become a wedding officiant. I always felt that I had a calling and I just went with it. And I felt that my set of skills, especially with being bilingual, I could help my community by contributing with my skill set. I have been performing and creating ceremonies for the past 13 years here in Oklahoma City. I offer services in Spanish for those individuals that want an all-Spanish wedding ceremony.
The power vested in me by the state of Oklahoma, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss.
If you're looking for a professional wedding officiant that is going to be reliable and dependent and everything will go smooth on your special day, let me be the person to perform your wedding ceremony to make it more memorable than ever.